Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service door, wireless WAN module, wireless module, optical drive, hard disk drive assembly, fan, keyboard, base enclosure, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, and right display panel hinge. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the right wireless LAN and wireless WAN antenna transceivers to the display enclosure. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape. And disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Replace the metallic tape that secures the right wireless LAN and wireless WAN antenna transceivers to the display enclosure.